House 28 by Studio Edwards in WYE River, Australia. A container house on the surf coast in WYE River, Victoria. Designed as a weekend retreat and made from 3 20-foot shipping containers. 2 connect to form the living space with toilet, laundry and entry. The third a sleeping wing with 2 bedrooms, toilet and shower. Connected by an external deck on steel stilts which sit on deep concrete pile foundations, anchoring the house to the hillside. Internally the spaces are lined with marine plywood. Externally insulated and clad with galvanized steel sheeting. The northern face of the house has fixings to allow for planting wires to connect to the ground, encouraging native plants to grow over the house. The southern facade is predominantly glazed with a series of double-glazed doors and windows, opening onto the decking which looks southwards through the trees towards the ocean. A green roof planted with native dichandra sits above, providing additional thermal insulation and rainwater filtration.